Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed the problems related to practical problems on union and intersection of the sets. Okay. Some other problems. Next question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only, not cricket? This is first question. And second question, how many like tennis? Okay. So here two terms are there. One is cricket, another one is tennis. So therefore answer. Let us take letter C. C be the set of people who likes cricket. Who likes cricket. Okay. Who likes cricket. Okay. Next. Tennis. T. Okay. Set of people. Okay. C be the set of people who likes cricket and T be the set of people who likes tennis. Okay. T tennis, C cricket. So let us take like this. So what is the information? C. First n of T is equal to n of C. So n of C first we take n of C. Next n of T. Okay. What is n of C? Cricket. Cricket. So 40 like cricket. So 40. So therefore 40. Okay. Next, n of T had to calculate. And n of C intersection T. See here. In a group of 65 people means what? It is union. Group means union. So therefore 65 considered as union. So therefore n of C union T. So therefore 65. Okay. Next. And another one, intersection is there. So 65 is over, 40 over. 10 like both cricket and tennis. And is there. And represents what? Intersection. That's why this is intersection. So 10. So therefore n of C intersection T equals to what? 10. Okay. Like that we have to decide. Okay. So here two questions are there. What is the first question is? How many like tennis only, not cricket? Okay. Second question, how many like tennis? So second question, first I will calculate the second one. How many like tennis? So this is n of T. Number of people likes tennis. Okay. Number of people likes tennis. Number of people likes tennis. Okay. Number of people likes tennis. So see. Number of people likes tennis. What is the formula? N of T is equals to N of C union T plus N of C intersection T minus N of C. So in this formula, you know formula N of C union T. A union B equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So derived like that only. So n of T is equals to N of C union T, N of C intersection T, both are plus, that is minus N of C. So n of T answer. Okay na? So substitute all these values here. So you will get this answer. Second one answer first. Okay. Next we will move to the next question. See, I will write here. So n of T is equals to N of C union T 65. Okay, 65. Intersection 10 plus 10 minus. So N of C 40. Minus 40. Calculate. So 65 plus 10, 75. 75 minus 40. 75 minus 40 is what? So 35. So this is the answer. 75. So what is this answer means? The second one. So 35 people like tennis. Okay. Tennis only tennis system. Okay. 35 people like tennis. Now we will calculate the first one. See. how many like tennis only, not cricket. So I will calculate this one. Go through this one first. N of t calculated. N of t is equals to what? N of t is equals to 35. N of t is equals to 35. So this one calculated. Okay. Next we will move to the next concept. Okay. See next we have already written n of c intersection t, n of c union t, n of t already calculated. N of t is equals to 35. Okay. Next this one first one. How many like tennis only and not cricket? Okay. So number of people like tennis only, not cricket means what? So therefore n of like tennis only, so t, but not cricket minus c. Like that we have to think. Okay, my dear students. Okay. When think ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಸೊ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಓಕೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಿ intersection okay. So like that first we have to write. So ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ? See I will tell in with a Venn diagram ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. See here. So ಇವಾಗ for suppose ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು Venn diagram ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. We take. Okay. This is C, this is T. This is C, this is T. Okay. So n of t means what? This whole thing is called n of t. This whole thing is called n of t. So intersection part ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So n of t ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ only t but not c. c ಬರಬಾರದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ so ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this part only, this part. So intersection part ಬರಬಾರದು. So therefore we are eliminating the intersection part. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? So n of t minus n of c intersection t. So only t not cricket. Intersection ಒಳಗೆ c ನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾ, intersection ಒಳಗೆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾ. So that's why we are removing the intersection part also. So therefore n of t minus n of c intersection t. Understood or not? This is very useful, very important also. Okay. Now you tell me n of a minus b formula. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. n of a minus b is equals to n of a, first one n of a minus n of a intersection b. n of b ಹೇಳಿ, n of b ಹೇಳಿ, n of b minus a ಹೇಳಿ, n of b minus a, n of b minus a, n of b first one, n of b minus n of b intersection. Like that we have to think. Okay. Next I will move to the next concept. So n of t minus c is equals to n of t minus n of c intersection t. So n of t already calculated. N of t is equals to 35 minus intersection part. What is the intersection part? See 10. So 10 is equals to what? 25. So this is the 25. So previous one 35. So the number of people who likes tennis only, not cricket means 25. This is very important problem for the main examination, my dear students. This is very important for the main examination. So go learn this concept well. Okay. If you have any doubt means you can ask. See next problem. Question number 8. In a committee 50 people speak French. Okay, one committee is there. In that committee 50 people speak French language. 20 speak 20 members. See 20 members speak Spanish. Okay, Spanish. And 10 speak both Spanish and French. And means what? Intersection. And means intersection. You have to consider the intersection. Okay. And how many speak at least one of these two languages? So what is the meaning of this one, sir? At least one of these two languages means ಒಂದನ್ನು ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ two. So one or two means that is union. At least one means that is union. You have to calculate. That's why. So I written the two sets like this. See. So what is the sets means? See. F is equals to set of people who speak French. Okay. French F first letter ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ F ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದೆ. You can take any A B ತಗೋಬಹುದು X Y ತಗೋಬಹುದು, you can take any. Okay, French F. Spanish, set of people who speak Spanish is equals to yes. Okay, French means F, Spanish means yes. Okay, next see, I will write the data. N of F, N of F. N of F is equals to what? See, 50 people like the French. So N of F is equals to 50. Okay, next N of Spanish, yes, N of Spanish. 20 speak, 20 speak, 20 speak Spanish. 20 speak Spanish. So 10. Spanish is equals to 20. Okay, next 10 speak both Spanish and French. And means what? Intersection already told us. So therefore N of French intersection Spanish is equals to 10. Okay, so next what to calculate? How many speak at least one of these two languages? How many speak at least one of these two languages means what? You have to calculate the union. Union calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So therefore N of F union S. N of F union S is equals to N of F plus N of S minus N of F intersection S. F intersection S. So like that you have to write. This is the formula already told now. Tell me. N of F is equals to what? 50 plus 20 minus 10. Okay. So like that you have to write. Okay. Next, calculate, simplify it. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 minus 10, 60. So therefore 60. So therefore this is the answer. Okay, so like that we have to calculate. So therefore 60 people speak French or Spanish or both. Okay, so therefore 60 people speak at least one of these two languages. 60 people speak at least one of these two languages, Spanish and French. Okay na? So ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್. ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು calculate. Okay, so if you have any doubt means you can also ask. See, next question. See, example 26. Already example 25 already done in last video. Okay, let us see example 26. In a survey of 400 students, in a school, okay, 100 were listed as taking apple juice. Okay, so one survey made. In that survey 400 members are there. Total survey 400 members are there. Okay, so in that one 100 were listed as taking apple juice. Apple juice ತಗೊಂತಾರಂತೆ. Apple juice they will take apple juice. And 150 as taking orange juice ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. Orange juice. And 75 were listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. Okay, both apple and 75 listed as both apple and as well as orange juice. Okay, as well as means and find how many students were neither take apple juice nor orange juice. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ apple juice ತಗೊಂಬಲ್ಲ orange juice ತಗೊಂಬಲ್ಲ. I had to find. So this is somewhat difficult to students. So I will tell please. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ in a survey of 400 students ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 400 students ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ 50 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. 20 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, 25 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತೊಗೊತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ not consider this one as union. ಇದನ್ನ union ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. So this one consider as universal set. So therefore n of u ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n of u is equal to 400. Okay na? See. I will create see. U is equal to set of surveyed students. Survey ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ so I will consider as universal set. U is equal to set of surveyed student. Survey ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. A be the set of students taking apple juice. Apple juice ತಗೋಬಾರಲ್ಲ we are considering is A set. Apple juice A. And B as orange juice. B be the set of students taking orange juice. Okay, orange juice ತಗೊಂಡ್ರವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ so we are considering it. So therefore n of u is equal to what? Now tell me. n of u is equal to what? 400. Why? Because 400 students so survey ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು n of u is equal to 400. Next n of a is equal to n of a. What is a? Apple juice. So such apple juice 100 were listed as taking apple juice. So therefore n of a is equal to 100. Okay. N of b. What is b? Orange juice. So n of b is equal to orange. So therefore 150 as taking orange juice. 150. So therefore 150. Understood or not? Like that we have to write 150. Oh, listen. 75 are listed as taking both apple as well as orange juice. So therefore this is intersection part. So therefore as well as. So therefore n of so a intersection b is equals to what? 75. n of a intersection b. n of a intersection b is equals to 75. Okay. So given data is over. So find what to find? Both apple and orange juice. To find how many students were taking neither orange juice nor orange juice. ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬಹುದು? So ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ I will tell. So n of a dash intersection b dash already told now complement of the set already told now complement of set already told. Okay. So by using the complement of the set a dash means what? Neither a. B dash means what? Neither B. So like that you have to think. So A dash intersection B dash. Artha idea ellaro? So you have to think. What is the meaning of this one? Means number of students neither take apple juice and neither nor orange juice. ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. neither nor ಬಂದಾಗ A dash B dash intersection you have to consider. Understood? See. We can use the De Morgan laws. A dash intersection B dash is equal to what? N of A union B whole dash. Very well. N of A dash intersection B dash is equal to what? A union B whole dash you can write now. So A dash is equal to what? A dash is equal to what? U minus A now. U minus A. So same formula. N of U minus. Same n we are applying. N of U minus N of A union. So A union B whole dash equals to what? A union B whole dash equals to U minus A union B. U minus A dash equals to what? U minus A. B dash equals to what? U minus B. C dash equals to what? U minus C. A union B whole dash equals to what? U minus A union B. So n of B, so you put n of that. N of U minus n of A union B. Understood or not? First, had to calculate n of A union B separately. So n of A union B calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. See. n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. n of A intersection B. Okay. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? So n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B A intersection. Problems are there. See. n of A equals to what? 100 plus n of B 150 minus n of A intersection B 75. Okay, calculate 250. 100 plus 150 is what? 250. 250 minus 75. Okay, 175. So therefore n of A union B is equals to what? n of A union B is equals to 175. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 175 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ that value here. So n of u is equals to what? n of u is equals to what? 400 minus 175. 400 minus 175. Already calculated. See, n of A will be calculated now. N of A will be calculated. But we will substitute ಮಾಡಿ 400 n of A equals to 400. So 400 is there minus 175. What is the answer? 225. So answer is 225. Very very important question. This one is very very important question, my dear students. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ very very important for the main examination, okay, for test and midterm examinations, official test ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ very very important, okay. So therefore have to do like this, okay. So therefore how many students means 225 students were taking neither averages nor RMS. So 225 is the answer, okay. First you have to calculate A and B and you have to substitute this. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ you ask through WhatsApp or call or comment in this below video. Thank you.